So a lot of my repair videos, I'm here just to give you the gist of what I see out in the field and what's common. So top reasons your dryer won't spin or is making noises. So first, if it's making noises, you're looking at a roller kit is what you'll need to replace. In most cases on these dryers, the roller wheels are seized or your idler is seized. Belts do not make noises in 99.9% of cases. In the off chance, you could have a blower fan that's gone out. Usually that's more of a vibrating noise and you'll hear it more so in the bottom left corner. That is extremely rare, however. Next, the most common thing by far is if your dryer will not spin. A lot of times on the Samsung units, the idler will be broken and the belt can't be tensioned anymore, so the belt slides off the idler or the belt itself breaks. Those are the top two reasons why your dryer won't spin, and you can reach in and hand spin the drum and you'll feel zero tension, and you can even pop the top off and pull on the belt. You'll be able to pull the belt out if the belt itself is broken without any further disassembly. The next reason could be a motor failure, and what you can do is hold the door switch, have somebody hit the start button, and then hand spin the drum and the dryer will start. That's how you will know if you've got a bad motor. The next most common reason would be the motor relay on the control board. Part number for the roller kit will be in the description below, as well as a link to purchase it from us. Subscribe for more videos like this in the future.